Road Trip Box Breaks here Friday, and Topps Chrome update release at my local Target, so I snagged a few boxes. Today we're going to break those open, so let's get it. Again, these are $19.99 at Target. The hype is real. It's the Chrome rendition of the update series. Here are your odds. 28 cards per box. I think this is going to have an autograph in it. I figure if I say that, I have actual real chance of it, but I'm just fooling myself. So let's get this going, shall we? First 5 packs. That's what the pack looks like. Let's see what we got. First out of the gate, we've got a family business. Reggie Jackson, I can see that. Oronado. Yelich All-Star Game. Luis Castillo All-Star Game. Family business, Reggie Jackson. It's crazy, these Chrome cards just buckle up. It's crazy. Hensley. Domingo Santana, Josh Donaldson, Corbin Martin. I see a lot of people debating and arguing over how good the update set is, how it doesn't compare to the past. And I mean, frankly, that's all subjective if you ask me. Ken Griffin, Nicky Lopez, Darwinson Hernandez, Sandy Koufax, greatest moments. That is not numbered. Let's see. All right. We've got Mike Trout, All-Star Game. Josh Bell, All-Star Game. Matt Chapman and Shane Bieber, All-Star Game. A lot of All-Star Game cards here. Now keep in mind, folks, there's only 100 cards in the base set for this. A bunch of different inserts which we've seen so far. Ottavino, Carter Kieboom, Carlos Santana, and we've got a Vlad Guerrero family business. That's senior. That was a Montreal Expos version of it. That's senior. All right, so we've got Michael Chavis, rookie card. Pedro Villa, CJ Cron, and we've got a Keston Hiura, and that Hiura is numbered out of 250. All right, I see you, Hiura. Apologize if I'm butchering the pronunciation. There we go. Pete Alonso, rookie debut. Luis Arias, Nick Senzel, and Hank Aaron, greatest players. That is not numbered. So first box, not too bad. Let's see, we'll go with this one here. A lot of wasted cardboard here for 5 packs. Let's see, what do we got? 3, 6, 7 packs of cards. Now there's 4 in each, as you all have seen. Let's see what box number 2 gets us. I'm still waiting on my standard update to come in, but we've got Mookie Betts, George Springer, Craig Kimbrell, and Cavan Biggio. Gavin Cavan. Let's see. Ryan Hensley, Domingo Santana, Josh Donaldson, Corbin Martin. I think that's an actual repeat of literally what I just opened in the other box. Something that Topps' QA needs to do a better job of, and that is making sure you don't have the exact same, at least mix it up. Renato, another one. Yelich, Luis Castillo, and nice Cunha Jr. Family Business. Kind of cool little inserts. David Dahl, Yura, Estrada, Carter Kieboom, standard rookie. Edwin Diaz, Dallas Kulich, Turnbull, greatest moments, Roberto Clemente. Now we're kind of rifling through these here. Brendan Rodgers, rookie debut. Polanco, All-Star Game. Verlander, All-Star Game. Robinson Cano. It's kind of a random player to include in a 100-card base set, Robinson Cano, but what are you going to do? Got some nice cards coming up. Yasmani, Grandal, Castanheira, Javi Baez, and Fernando Tatis Jr. Rookie Family Business. So 2 boxes down.